back to my channel and happy holidays to each and every one of you. Today's vlog, I'll be unboxing the package that was sent to me by YesStyle. Thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me this holiday gift box to create and share with you my holiday makeup look. And by the way guys, YesStyle is having their year-end countdown sale up to 80% off, and you can get extra 15% off during checkout when you use this code BUY2020, and my reward code is TIRAI12. So what are you waiting for, guys? Check out the website and use this code during checkout. Okay, so let's unbox this package now. Okay, so this is how it looks inside, and the product is well sealed and packed. Okay, so it is packed with bubble wrap, and let's remove one by one. So one product is this Romand Glaze Tint Water Tint. This is in the shade number 05, and we have also Fixie Peach C Slim Waterproof Fixie Liner. This is in the shade number 02 Deep Brown, and we have also Luminous Highlighter by DSaim or Simul Luminous Multi Highlighter. This is in the shade number 01 Pink White. Ayan. And then we have also Too Cool for School Art Glass by Rodin Shading. This is 10.5 grams. Okay, so this is the contour palette. Ayan guys. Okay, and one more, we have this Eye Multi Cube. This is in the shade number 002 All About Apple Red. I think this is blushed on, we'll see. Okay, let's open it one by one later. And this one is the Kiss Me Heroine Makeup Long and Curl Mascara. So ayan, yun mo guys. Sobrang gusto ko tong mascara na to. I've been eyeing this one for so long. So thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me this. Okay guys, so let's open one by one the products. So first is the Fixie Peach C Slim Waterproof Fixie Liner, and this is how the product looks like. And the color is a gradient of purple and light pink, and so this is retractable. And okay, so I'm gonna try it here. Okay, and another one is, wait, let's try. Okay, so it's very hard to remove. This one is wipes. Oh, you can see that it's very waterproof. It's hard to remove. You have to use a makeup remover, I think. Okay, so another one is the multi highlighter. Okay, so it's like a unicorn, as you can see. Wow, that is so nice. You can see that. Okay guys, so next product is this Romand Glaze Tint Water Tint, and this is in the shade number 05 Rose Splash. And let's take a look on the product inside. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is a acrylic glass, and the applicator is like this. Sobrang nice ng kanyang handle, oh. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this, and wow, the shade is very nice. We have one. This is the I'm Multi Cube. This is in the shade 002 All About Apple. Okay, let's open it. Oh, this is eyeshadow and blushed on. And it comes with the mirror. As you can see, it's so very cute, and the shade is very nice. I think I can create a lot of makeup look using only this shade. Okay, so let's try the blushed on. Let's start with number 1. I don't know if you can see it, but like this. Okay, like that. Yan. And another one we have is Heroine. Kiss Me Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. So the applicator is like this. It's like a slight curve. Okay, so last product on the holiday gift box is this contour palette by Art Class, and this is how it looks like, the product. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so nice, the packaging. And okay, so it comes with a mirror and it has a transparent plastic protector, right? Okay, so that's it for today's, guys, and I'm gonna put all the details of this product in the description box so you have reference in case you want to purchase or try also this product. And you can also follow YesStyle in their Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram. I'm gonna put all their social media account links in the description box. And stay tuned, guys, on my next video. I'm gonna show you some of my holiday makeup look using this product. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And once again, thank you for watching and happy holiday, guys. Bye!